So that's me just leaving Xi'an this morning. Got no real plan or destination in mind for today, so I'm just gonna head west, see how far we get. This is such a nice little stretch of road. Like over there on that side is the G50 or whatever, like the big motorway. And over there on that side is the G310, which is like the dual carriageway that I was on before. And just here running parallel in the middle is this like perfect little stretch of cycle track. Again, had some nice egg pancake thing for breakfast this morning. It's quite delicious. Is today the day when I hit the mountains? Looks like it from the map, but I've been saying that for the past 2 days, so we'll see. So I found a place to camp. I've set up my tent and stuff. Had a wash as best I could. Put my clothes up. I think it's time to cook some dinner. So I accidentally poured in way too much oats, and now I don't have enough water to cook them, so I've just got this kind of mousse here with hardly any water. Which I hope is not going to stick to the pan.
It's not really sticking to the pen. Oh man, need more water. Ugh. I might just have to eat it like this. Just a kind of mush. Sure, it still tastes good.
Found myself some cycling buddies for this part of the trip. Yeah! So I made it to Gansu province, which is cool because that's technically classified as northwest China. Even though when you look on the map, I'm like bang in the center of China, just because there's absolutely nothing in the northwest. So this whole big massive area is classified as northwest China. So I'm probably about halfway through China, but still, the fact that I can say I'm in northwest China kind of makes it feel good.